Here is our brand premium villa project on eastern part of Hyderabad at Ghatkesar, very near to Warangal National Highway. In the name of trust and quality, Shiv Krishna Constructions presents a luxury gated community facilities project in HMDA approved layout for your high quality life, Paras Prem Homes. Excellent construction for your security and safety, well-designed wide internal roads, masterpiece amenities, 16,000 square feet clubhouse, high-end luxury life for you. This project well connected to Warangal National Highway. Well-connected railways from Ghatkesar through Outer Ring Road, you can connected Shamshabad Airport and Financial District. Second longest flyover in the state. You can reach your location within minutes. Pocharam is largest IT hub. It's very near to our location. India's largest Infosys IT campus and Raheja Mindspace located in Pocharam. India's prestigious medical institute AIIMS located very near. Surround your location, you can access international schools, international malls and multiplex, parks and many more. 8.04 acres, 30 plus amenities. This project well designed and built for everyone. Total 119 premium villas. Broad roads ensure a seamless life. Harmony in every lane. A truly vivacious community. Paras Prem Homes. Celebrate the living. Modern architecture elevations of east and west villas with 2 car parking space ranging from 152 square yards to 436 square yards. Consummate amenities of gated communities, open to sky areas and lavish indoors. Families looking for more space are at the right place. Utmost attention has been paid to each detail for roads and junctions. 3-floor ladder for happiness, your children's future is secured. Offers you the best of leisure and living. Here is the best part of your community. It's truly designed for your family persons, health and fun based. You want clear sky, pure air, lush green. In your outdoor gym, for those who are in delight with badminton courts, you can friendly challenge your neighbor. The lovely play area is the best to keep your little ones engaged, physically fit. You can enjoy the fresh breath-walking track along with lawn. Trekking is always challenge to your kids. This place helps everyone to recognize and learn common species of flowers. Spend some time on yoga and meditation. Here is the triplex villa interiors for you. A living room is not just a space, it's a feeling. Eat well, love much, laugh often. Beautifully designed kitchens. Guests bring happiness. These specially designed guest rooms bring smile on your guests. Here is your triplex villa well-designed lift from ground to first and second floors. The best memories are made in the living room. Living room both sides connected to master bedroom and children's bedroom. Fun the colors, interesting design. The prince and princess sleep here. After a hectic day, a place to relax and dream, your master bedroom. In second floor, we are concentrating and design on your health and entertainment. Full equipped air-conditioned gym. A preview theatre for a limited number of guests to enjoy private screening of special moments from Shiv Krishna Constructions. A luxurious high-end along with terrace 16,000 square feet, gated community facilities, clubhouse for a great family dip at the swimming pool. Take a relaxing swim in the pool. Path to happiness, well-made interiors, club lobby very well connected to yoga and creche. To lead a peaceful urban life in perfect harmony for yoga and meditation. Sit in peace and see the inner side of you. The secured creche is a great gift for working parents. A coffee deck along with pool. Sip of coffee to boost your mood. Meet and greet here for personal and professional. First floor dedicated to your functions and parties' purpose. An exclusive business lounge. Well-designed banquet hall to celebrate private events. Well-designed guest rooms. Second floor lobby to connect indoor sports area. And gym. Exclusive professional gym. Dedicated complex for indoor sports, table tennis and billiards. A project by Shiv Krishna Constructions, Paras Prem Homes. Shiv Krishna Constructions. This name is synonymous with splendid excellence in real estate industry, trust and quality. It's an experience that combines luxury, accessibility and tranquility in one villa. Come join with us. Contact. Every moment is an opportunity for the entire family.